Hello, how are y'all doing? So I changed the name of the channel to The Best of Us because I feel like I'm me, and on the other side of the screen, you all are us. So it's called The Best of Us. You're watching me, and you're putting your comments below, you're hitting the like button, you're hitting the subscribe button, so it's The Best of Us. I have been gone for a while because I've been tending to some other personal business. So that's why y'all have not seen me. And yes, 2024, I'm going to be doing more videos. So y'all will see me back on the camera. And Terrence going to be on the camera too. Some days it'll be me and him together. And some days it'll be me by myself. So the best of us. Okay, so it's the holiday spirit. And I have on my Christmas shirt and my pajama pants. But I want to do this video to give y'all little ideas, things y'all can get when y'all are at Walmart trying to get stuff for y'all Christmas decorations if y'all have not done so. So let's get into the video. I got this tree cake pan. I got these little glass cups. And these cups are only $2. It's glass and it's a tree. And you can untwist it. And you have a straw. So this is really dope. I got this red one. I got a red one. And I thought I had green, but this is like bluish light. So I got two of these. You can open it up, put your tea, your drink, whatever you want, and it's really cute. And I also got this one is Terrence on, and this one is mine. And I also, I'm gonna put it back in the bag. And I also got, this video is not really long short. I got this, our pictures, our background. So you get on the package, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas, naughty and nice. So the blue part up here is the back, up here, the blue part, that's the background, and these are the sticks. So I'm going to use this for a background to take our Christmas pictures. This is the background we was going to use, but I don't really like it, so I'm going to take it down. And I'm going to use this. So, yeah, I want to come on and say, hey, how are y'all doing? Show y'all a little bit of stuff I got from Walmart. I'm not going to... Well, I'm going to record Christmas. Yeah, I'm going to record Christmas. But I'm going to record Christmas morning. The stuff that we got. The stuff we got for Christmas. I'm going to record that. And if everything goes good next year, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Lord's willing, no one gets sick, no one passed. Everything go good. We are doing a big, huge Christmas giveaway next year. We're doing one in Jacksonville. And we're doing one in Fernandina. Because Terrence's family is in Fernandina. My family is in Jacksonville. So, we're going to do two cities. We're going to do Jacksonville and Fernandina. Yeah. The one in Jacksonville is going to be, depends on what day Christmas on. It's going to be that Saturday before. The Saturday before. And the one in Fernandina is going to be that Sunday. I'm going to switch it to Fernandina that Saturday, Jacksonville that Sunday. 9 times out of 10, I'm thinking about doing Fernandina that Saturday, Jacksonville that Sunday. But we are in the process right now of planning it. I'm super excited. We're gonna give out. I'm thinking I want to have like 100 kids. We're giving out, each kid will get a bicycle. For both cities, I want to have Fernandina 100, Jacksonville 100. So all the total is 200. But we're gonna give away. We're giving out bicycles for the kids. We're giving out bicycles for the kids. We're giving out mittens for the kids, and they're also gonna get, since it's cold and they're going back to school, I'm thinking about giving away jackets. But if I don't do the jackets, I'm gonna do blankets. And the grown-ups who bring the kids, they're gonna get blankets also. And we're gonna have bouncy houses so the kids can play on them. We're gonna have a DJ. We're gonna have food. We're gonna have arts and crafts. We're gonna have games. Yeah, it's gonna be real fun. Like I said, we're planning it now. September, I'm gonna have a lot more information next year because we're in the process of planning it. And if you follow us on Facebook, the flyer will be posted on Facebook. So on my page and his page. So yeah, we're planning it now. So be out on the lookout. Look out for that. More to come. We're planning it. We're gonna talk some more about it Christmas Eve with the families. That will not be on record, but that will not be on camera. But I'll let y'all know when the time comes. September, I will have a lot. I will have a lot more. September next year, I will have a lot more details. Y'all will see the flyers. Y'all gonna see us decorate. Y'all gonna see everything. This is the first time we doing this, so I'm super duper excited. But yeah, we're doing good. We just been taking care of a lot of business, and since we planned next year for the Christmas party in Jacksonville and Fernandina, that's another reason why y'all have not seen us on, because we've been real busy. And also Christmas is now, so we're trying to get, and we was getting the gifts and all that stuff together. So Merry Christmas to y'all. Happy New Year. I want you to comment down below what you got for Christmas, and Merry Christmas. Leave a big thumbs up if you like this video. Share it with your friends and family. Let me just clarify something. Most of the time in the videos, I want to start by, when I get dressed, I do my makeup. I like to match my makeup with my clothes. So most of the times for right now, y'all will see me doing my makeup. So coming back in January, like the 4 months, it'll just be me in the morning. When I post a video in the morning, it'll be me doing my makeup, me doing a morning routine. And sometimes it'll be me and Terrence together. Sometimes you'll see me by myself. Sometimes you'll see him by himself. And sometimes you'll see us together. So, the best of us. So, yeah. It's really dope. I appreciate y'all for subscribing. I'm trying to grow my channel. Try to grow this channel to some more subscribers. I have a really, really long way to go. So, yeah. Share it with your friends and family. Like I said, I appreciate y'all watching. I'm going to have some more information in September of the it's gonna call the Christmas Bash, the annual first Christmas Bash. So I'm excited. I'm looking forward to that. But anyway, I'm gonna let y'all go. I just wanted to drop by and let y'all know me and Terrence, we're doing great. Everybody's good. Families, everybody's doing really good. Yeah. So I will see y'all later. Merry Christmas! This is a hug from me to y'all, so we're going to give a hug. I pray that y'all be covered in the blood. Y'all have a good, safe trip. Who's are traveling, y'all get nice gifts. Don't be discouraged. Whatever you're going through, it'll be over after a while. So, yeah, keep your head up. Bye!